was sad about Tyrese's situation, and I hear this all the time, and it's something that I actually experienced, right? Like, it's the same old stuff. The woman, she married him just for 3 years, and now because of that, right, just to get out of this marriage, this man has to fork up like $950,000, right? And that's before child support, which is about $11,000 a month. Now think about that for a second. She married this man for 3 years. And after that, just to get out, right, he got to spend damn near $1 million plus $11,000 a month. Think about that for a second. But you know what the funny thing is? That's not even what got me. What got me was simply this. This is the same thing that I hear from a lot of dudes, and it's something that I've actually experienced myself, right? What he said to the lead attorney, he said something so powerful that I hear this all the time. You know what he said? He said, I do not even know what I did to this woman. I hear this all the time. Most guys, they don't even know what they did. They might see it coming, but they don't know what they did to this woman. So, guys, listen. In this country, guys, cough wrong. Just cough wrong, right? She's going to file for divorce. It's called no-fault divorce. So this is why I say, go abroad.